Hello friends, each of the steps I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to fix this. When the message, "Service vehicle soon," appears on the dashboard of a Chevy, the first thing that comes to many drivers' minds is that something big is about to break. But when you start listening to what auto mechanics say, the story is usually a little different. That message is actually a fairly general warning the vehicle uses when it detects something unusual in one of its electronic systems. It doesn't always mean a serious failure. Many times it's simply the car's way of saying that something needs to be checked. Interestingly, one of the causes most frequently mentioned by mechanics in these forums has to do with something as simple as the vehicle's battery. When the 12-volt battery starts to weaken or has a loose connection, several electronic modules in the car begin to communicate poorly with each other. That small electronic disturbance can cause the dashboard to display the "Service vehicle soon" message even when the engine is running normally. In many cases, charging the battery, replacing it, or cleaning the terminals ends up solving the problem. Following that same idea, many owners also report that the message appears when there are momentary communication failures between the vehicle's modules. Modern cars have many systems that talk to each other all the time, and if one of them restarts, loses signal for a few seconds, or detects unusual data, the system triggers the warning. In fact, some drivers mention that after turning the vehicle off, waiting a moment, and turning it back on, the message disappears because the system resets correctly. In other situations, the cause ends up being much simpler than you might imagine. Some mechanics have said the message appeared because of blown fuses, disconnected sensors, or even taillights that stopped working properly. The vehicle detects that something electrical is not operating as it should and activates the warning so the driver can check it before it turns into a bigger problem. When you connect all these experiences shared by workshop mechanics, it becomes clear that "Service vehicle soon" does not point to a single specific part of the vehicle. Instead, it is more of a general alert that appears when the system detects something out of the ordinary, whether it's a weak battery, a confused sensor, or a small electrical issue. For that reason, many mechanics agree that the smartest way to deal with it is to scan the vehicle and check the code stored in the computer.